And what impact could the firing of Susan Monarez have on public health in the US and globally, as the CDC is considered the premium public health agency of the world? And also, as you said, Donald Trump wants to revamp the CDC and a more anti-vax stance is coming in.
And that's right. And that is remains to be seen. But we do believe that Jim O'Neill will be a great replacement. Look, a lot of these things turn over. A lot of agency heads turn over, especially when there's a new administration. Clearly, you can't have clashes with the president's agenda. And if there's one sticking point, which is that, President Trump wants to review and perhaps get rid of vaccinations, well, and the CDC head doesn't want to comply to that, I think that's a real clash. And you don't want to spend your entire administration fighting. So this might be a good move. And given that the top deputies have also left, it's now a clean house for President Trump to fill in with his right people. I know that some of the early talks, especially with RFK Jr., who is the HHS head, they want to take food dyes out of our foods. They want to make our crops healthy. They want to make sure that sugar is actually sugar in our sugary drinks. So all those things are, they're gonna happen during this administration. You don't want people internally fighting you on these things, and that seems to be what the case was. So I would say give it some time, and we will see how this progresses. But no doubt, this is probably a good move for all parties involved.